Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setup for today. A bit of a spinning top. You can see this last 8-hour candle here. The trend is up, no two ways about that. We had some fairly decent results yesterday. The Feds have also come out with an indication that we should get rate cuts in September, and we also have a cup and handle breakout, and the neckline there is 4880. So I just want to check the daily quickly. Nice decent daily bar. There are a few sellers still coming in off the top. Nothing really to write home about, but strong move up, pull back. You should be seeing a move that is something like that. So we should be targeting 42.87. I'd round that off to 4200 to start with. So my view is you are looking for opportunities to buy. It's been really difficult this week. It's been grinding higher. Two ways about that, but grind higher, swing lower, grind higher, swing lower. So it's kind of all over the place. Lots of buyers coming in off the bottom. You can see this week has been a fairly decent break above the moving averages, and we're holding those moving averages. So that is something you do need to pay attention to. And when you get down to the hour, you can see yesterday's price action. Fairly strong move up, big move down. Had the Feds come out, and then going into the close, a bit of a fall. But in my view is it's come back to test structure. So I would wait for this at the US Open, but I'd be looking to buy off 4100 basically, which is just where we are. So let's get another level in and come down to the 15-minute, and you'll see what I'm seeing. So we're in amongst the moving averages right now in the 15 minutes, so there's nothing really to write home about. You can see how these three levels are fairly important. So the first one is obviously 4100, which will be, there we go. So we're looking for a break and retest of 4100. So break up, retest of that. That gives you the opportunity to get in long, and your stop is going to be fairly close. So it's going to be 160 point stop loss. I'd take it below the swing low of at 4880. So that's kind of my view. I wouldn't want to be buying off any of these levels here. I think it's a bit too much risk. You probably find if it does get down here and it just dips below and rejects something, you'll probably see the bears come in and drive it lower to pull up a bit of profit there. So for me, it's a breakout and retest that you're looking for. And I would not want to do this during the DAX or the European session, because the DAX is looking a little bit confused. So I'd rather wait for the US session for that. Anyway, that's kind of the only way I see this playing out. I'm not looking for shorts, that's clear. We are looking for breakouts and opportunities to get in on it. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.